GPTV News. Good evening. We interrupt this broadcast of Guinea Pig Brothers show for some breaking news. We have a breaking news story from the downtown Pittsburgh, where yet another house has gotten deeply depressed. This sad house has been seen crying very loudly in the high street, waking up all the neighbors. This is just one more incident in the line of incidents where the houses have gone really sad in the central areas. Just yesterday, we reported a medieval castle whimpering and whining very loudly on the hillsides of Pittsburgh. Whimpering and whining of the houses has attracted some dangerous creatures to Pittsburgh area. This particular cat has been lurching nearby the Picky kindergarten. The cat is considered armed and highly dangerous, and we ask all piggies of that area to stay indoors. My name is Marceline, and you're watching breaking news from the GPTV studios.